Have you ever stopped to think about how much your life is worth? It's a deep question, one that philosophers have pondered for centuries. But in the world of medicine, that question takes on a very literal meaning. Today, we're diving into the world of pharmaceuticals to uncover the most expensive medicines ever developed. These groundbreaking drugs offer hope where there was once none, treating rare and life-threatening conditions. But their hefty price tags, often reaching millions of dollars, raise serious questions about who can access these life-saving treatments. Our first journey into the world of high-priced pharmaceuticals takes us to the groundbreaking drug, Glybera. This one-time gene therapy treatment was designed to tackle a rare genetic disorder called lipoprotein lipase deficiency, or LPLD. Imagine your body struggling to break down fats in your blood. This is the daily reality for individuals with LPLD, and it can lead to severe and potentially life-threatening complications. Glybera emerged as a beacon of hope, promising to correct the genetic defect that causes this debilitating condition. However, that hope came with an astonishing price tag, a staggering $1 million per treatment. This made Glybera, at its peak, the most expensive medicine in the world. It forced everyone to grapple with a fundamental question. How do we balance the value of human life with the cost of cutting-edge medical innovation? The astronomical cost of Glybera sparked heated debates about the sustainability of such expensive treatments. Insurance companies, governments, and patients alike were left grappling with the implications. Could such a high price for a single treatment ever be justified, even if it meant saving lives? The story of Glybera is a stark reminder of the complex ethical and economic challenges that arise at the intersection of medicine, technology, and affordability. It serves as a cautionary tale, highlighting the need for a balanced approach that ensures access to life-saving treatments without bankrupting healthcare systems or leaving patients in financial ruin. Ultimately, Glybera's journey was short-lived. Due to its exorbitant price and limited demand, the drug was pulled from the market just a few years after its debut. This decision underscored the challenging reality of developing and delivering groundbreaking treatments in a world where cost and accessibility remain major barriers. While Glybera's story may have ended, it continues to fuel crucial conversations about the future of medicine and the quest for affordable healthcare solutions. Our next stop takes us to Zolgensma, a groundbreaking gene therapy designed to combat spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA, in infants. This devastating genetic disorder robs babies of their ability to move, eat, and even breathe. Prior to Zolgensma's arrival, SMA was often a death sentence, with most children not living past their second birthday. Then came Zolgensma, offering a glimmer of hope in what had been a bleak landscape. This one-time gene therapy works by delivering a functional copy of the SMN1 gene, which is crucial for motor neuron survival. Clinical trials showed remarkable results, with some infants achieving motor milestones they never thought possible. But this incredible scientific achievement came with a hefty price tag, $2.1 million per treatment. That's right, Zolgensma currently holds the title of the world's most expensive single-dose drug. This staggering cost has fueled intense debate about the value of human life and the limits of healthcare spending. On one hand, Zolgensma offers a chance at life for children who would otherwise face certain death. Families grappling with this devastating diagnosis are often willing to move mountains, even declare bankruptcy, to give their child a fighting chance. On the other hand, the exorbitant cost puts the treatment out of reach for many families, raising questions about equitable access to life-saving therapies. The dilemma surrounding Zolgensma's price tag underscores the urgent need for innovative solutions to address the rising costs of gene therapies and other groundbreaking treatments. As we celebrate the remarkable advances in medicine, we must also grapple with the ethical and financial implications of these breakthroughs. Finding a sustainable path forward will require collaboration between pharmaceutical companies, healthcare providers, insurers, and policymakers to ensure that life-saving therapies like Zolgensma are accessible to all who need them, not just those who can afford them. Now we turn our attention to Luxturna, a gene therapy that shines a light on a rare inherited form of vision loss called Leber congenital amaurosis, or LCA. Imagine a world shrouded in darkness from a young age, the vibrant colors and sharp details we often take for granted, lost to a genetic defect. This is the reality for individuals with LCA, a condition that robs them of their sight, often from birth or early childhood. Luxturna emerged as a beacon of hope, offering the potential to restore some degree of vision where there was once none. Luxturna works by delivering a functional copy of the RPE65 gene directly to the cells in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. This gene is responsible for producing a protein essential for normal vision. Without it, light signals cannot be properly transmitted to the brain, leading to severe vision impairment or complete blindness. The results of Luxturna's clinical trials were nothing short of remarkable. Patients who had only known a world of shadows began to perceive light, shapes, and even colors. Some were able to navigate obstacles, read larger print, and even recognize faces for the first time. However, this life-changing therapy comes at a significant cost, with a price tag of around $850,000 per treatment, making it one of the most expensive medicines in the world. This high cost reflects the complexity of developing and manufacturing gene therapies, as well as the transformative impact they can have on patients' lives. While Luxturna's price tag has raised concerns about affordability, it has also ignited discussions about the value of restoring sight and improving the quality of life for those living with debilitating vision loss. Our exploration of the world's most expensive medicines now leads us to Soliris, a drug that dives deep into the complex world of rare blood disorders. Imagine your own immune system turning against you, attacking healthy cells and tissues, as if they were foreign invaders. This is the harsh reality for those living with paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, PNH, and atypical hemolytic uremic syndrome, aHUS, two rare and life-threatening conditions that Soliris is designed to combat. PNH causes red blood cells to break down prematurely, leading to a range of debilitating symptoms, including fatigue, blood clots, and kidney problems. aHUS, on the other hand, affects the small blood vessels in the kidneys, often leading to kidney failure. Soliris works by targeting a specific protein in the immune system called C5. This protein plays a key role in the complement system, a cascade of reactions that helps the body fight off infections. However, in PNH and aHUS, the complement system becomes overactivated, attacking healthy cells and causing inflammation and damage. Soliris acts like a brake pedal, preventing the complement system from going into overdrive and wreaking havoc on the body. Before Soliris, the prognosis for patients with PNH and aHUS was often grim. Frequent blood transfusions, chronic pain, and the constant threat of life-threatening complications were the norm. Soliris emerged as a beacon of hope, offering a chance to manage these debilitating conditions and improve patients' quality of life. However, this lifeline comes at a steep cost. The annual price tag for Soliris can reach up to $700,000, making it one of the most expensive drugs in the world. This exorbitant cost reflects the drug's specialized nature, the small patient population it serves, and the complex manufacturing process involved. While Soliris has undoubtedly transformed the lives of many patients, its high cost has sparked debate about the sustainability of such expensive treatments and the need for innovative pricing models to ensure that life-saving therapies are accessible to all who need them. Our final stop on this exploration of high-cost medications takes us to Actimmune, a drug that tackles a group of rare and often misunderstood conditions, including chronic granulomatous disease, CGD, and severe malignant osteopetrosis, SMO. Imagine your body struggling to fight off infections, leaving you vulnerable to even the most common germs. This is the daily reality for individuals with CGD, a genetic disorder that affects the immune system's ability to kill certain types of bacteria and fungi. Now picture bones becoming overly dense and brittle, prone to fractures and breaks. This is the hallmark of SMO, a rare bone disease that primarily affects infants and young children. Actimmune steps in as a treatment option for both these conditions, albeit through different mechanisms. In CGD, Actimmune boosts the activity of infection-fighting cells, making them more effective at clearing bacteria and fungi from the body. For individuals with SMO, Actimmune helps to regulate bone remodeling, reducing bone density, and decreasing the risk of fractures. While Actimmune might not be a household name like some of the other drugs on our list, its impact on the lives of those it treats is no less significant. For patients with CGD, Actimmune can mean the difference between fighting off a simple infection and battling a life-threatening illness. In the case of SMO, it can offer a chance for children to experience a childhood free from the constant fear of bone fractures and skeletal deformities. However, this lifeline comes at a cost. with Actimmune's annual price tag ranging from $250,000 to $350,000, placing it among the most expensive drugs in the world. The high cost is attributed to the drug's specialized nature, the small patient population it serves, and the complex manufacturing process involved. While Actimmune represents a beacon of hope for those living with CGD and SMO, its price tag underscores the ongoing challenge of balancing medical innovation with affordability and access. As we've journeyed through the world of the most expensive medicines, one thing has become abundantly clear. The price of life-saving treatments is a complex and multifaceted issue. While we celebrate the incredible advances in medicine and the hope these treatments offer, we must also grapple with the ethical and financial implications of their often exorbitant costs. How do we ensure that these groundbreaking therapies are accessible to all who need them, not just those who can afford them? It's a question that demands our attention and calls for innovative solutions. Finding a sustainable path forward will require collaboration and a shared commitment to affordability and accessibility. Pharmaceutical companies, healthcare providers, insurers, and policymakers must work together to develop innovative pricing models, explore alternative funding mechanisms, and prioritize research into more cost-effective treatments. We must also advocate for policies that promote competition in the pharmaceutical industry and prevent price gouging. The goal should be to create a healthcare system where life-saving therapies are within reach for all, regardless of their financial situation. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of medicine, technology, and the human condition. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next exploration. Together, let's continue the conversation about the future of healthcare and work towards a world where everyone has access to the treatments they need.